Hi guys, welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the cabin dash pollen filter on a Golf Mk7. So easy, just open this up and here you got two tabs, one here and one there, right there. What you got to do is literally just push it up like that. Same thing on that side. Oops, should I empty that out first? And then here you got another three tabs. 1, 2, 3. Which you open up like so. Take out. And then just simply pull out the old one. That. That's filthy. Have a look at the way the air flows down on this. Get out the new filter. Get the airflow as well. Push this down. So just pop that in. Just like that. Put this cover back on. Tuck the bottom 3 tabs in and push this clip back on, and then simply it's a matter of clipping this back up like so.